Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I still am looking at this as a big three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and I still think this is in a three-way pattern to the upside, which I think we already have the A, B, C. Well, I think we already have the A, we already have the B, and we're in a wave C of wave Y, which I still think is going to have it taking up and taking out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is a five waves up for an A. I think this is a WXY right here for the wave B. I think this is a wave 1 of wave C, A, B, C, 2 of C. I think that we are currently in a wave 3 of wave C, and I think it has a long ways to go to the upside to form that pattern like we were showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 2. This wave 5 over here is the end of a wave 1. I think we are in subdivisions of a wave 3. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this just kept on making higher highs, higher lows, especially on like the daily and weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where it starts to look like it could push down. And this is very common when the shorter time frames looks like they need to go down, but the higher time frames are all in an uptrend. Definitely looks like five waves down over here. You would think it would be a wave A. Definitely looks like three waves up right here. You would think it would be a wave B. And then you would think that this would be going down to make a wave C. We do have non-farm payroll tomorrow, so it would make perfect sense if it set itself up for long at tomorrow's news. But like I was just explaining, a lot of times when you are going up on the higher time frames, especially in a wave 3, it does not make proper ABC corrections, but instead it just keeps on trending up with those higher highs and higher lows. So definitely be cautious going short. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, it definitely looks like we should be in a wave C. It looks like it should be trending down in that wave C, just like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. And I think it would make a lot of sense if it did do that. But I also realize that we are most likely in a very strong uptrend on all the higher time frames. This could easily make a higher low, break structure and just keep on trending up, which is why I am definitely primarily still looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. Especially when you're in a wave 3 on like the daily, weekly, and monthly, the trend is definitely your friend. It may look like it needs to go down and make a wave C, and it definitely could go down and make a wave C. So if it does go, make lower lows, lower highs, and continue to go short. But when you're in a wave 3, oftentimes it just looks like it's going to go down and it just keeps on trending up, which is why I'm definitely ignoring all the sorting opportunities and I'm just looking for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading and analysis sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.